Desi madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to give you an announcement because you know guys, you had been asking a question for many days that ma'am, I want to join your class, how can I join with you? So I was giving you an answer that I have to go school and there I have to spend lot of time and I have no time, but yes, we will be discussing about in English in order to be fluent in English in summer vacation. So now the summer vacation has come and now from today we will be discussing about in English how to fluent in English in order to be fluent in English the next 30 days. So the next 30 days I have a lot of time. I want to spend my time with you guys. I want to spend my time with my English. So the next 30 days I'm going to give you an announcement that I have a 30 days and I want to use my 30 days in order to take a challenge how to improve our English. So the next 10 days we will be discussing about some problems, some set of problems and that every person have faced while learning this language. And the next 10 days we will be discussing about some techniques which will be improve our English. And the next 10 days we will be focusing about after knowing some problems and after knowing some techniques, then how can we improve our fluency. Okay, so the next 30 days we will be practicing, we will be take different kind of challenges and every day you are getting some points, some important technique. And if you are with me, okay, the next 30 days, believe me friend, after 30 days your English will be improving, believe me. Okay, so are you ready for this? Okay, along with these 30 days I am going to give a live class. I am going to attend a live class every Sunday around 12 p.m. Okay, we will be attending a live class with you guys. So if you have some problem, you want to chat with me, you want to know some problems, some techniques, some whatever related to English speaking terms, so you can easily be join with me every Sunday 12 p.m. we will be attending a live class. Okay, and okay, every days we will be practicing different kind of problems and we will be discussing about different kind of problems and techniques and how to improve our fluency. So are you ready with me? Okay, are you ready to improve your English? So this is the announcement video and this is a short video, but don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. If you find this channel useful, if you find this video useful, then please like, subscribe and stay tuned. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.